If you own a Ford Transit 2500, 2300, or 150, guys, there's some maintenance that have to be done on those cars. We drive a lot with those cars. I just got one. I just opened my own business. So now I'm a business operator. I do business van delivery. So I just started doing my business. So this is why I don't post a lot of videos on YouTube. It's because I'm being busy. So guys, those cars, there is some maintenance that need to be done. And because we drive a lot and you forget you have some maintenance that have to be done, and this when the cars start break down and we have to spend a lot of money to fix them back again. So just the first thing you have to take care of it is the oil change. But guys, most people I know they use a Mobile One or other brand. It's better to buy the factory one. Was required for the car. It's gotta be synthetic blend Ford. You go get it from Walmart or any other place. It's gotta be good for your car. A lot of people just think when he puts full synthetic, it's gonna help the car, but it doesn't recommend for the car. The car recommends synthetic blend, Ford brand, and those fluid they can go until 10,000 miles for each oil change. Since I start use this oil in my car now, I have no problem. The car ran really good. Before I start using Mobile One, full synthetic, but the car doesn't run how it's supposed to be. Always the fluid is low. So now I'm using the Ford factory fluid. I have no problem. Always the fluid on the time. Even I drive now 4,000 miles, I'm looking at my oil. The oil keep look like clean. This why guys have to use the factory fluid. The second thing you have to do to take care of it, you need to take care of the air filter, guys. You need to buy air filter every 12,000 miles, or at least one for a year. This is why I just change it now. So my car starts spending a lot of gas, and I figure out I know the air filter need to be changed because we drive a lot. Pretty much I drive every day around 150 to 200 miles a day. So we need to take care of the car. The problem we have on those cars is a lot of coolant problems, coolant leak, or the water pump problem. So my car changed the water pump because it started going bad, give noise, and I have a coolant leak coming from the reservoir. Coolant reservoir. If you have a problem with the coolant leak, the first thing you have to check your reservoir because those reservoirs is cheap made, so they pretty much they get leak from the whole sides from the reservoir. The reservoir needs to be changed. It's really cheap to change it. And the second thing, you need to take care of the differential. The differential from the factory have to be done every 15,000 miles or 20,000 miles. And you have to buy additive. It's got to be XL3. We got it from the manufacturer. It can get from O'Reilly. Don't get aftermarket parts. I don't trust those brands. So we got it from the factory. It's really cheap. And buy the differential fluid and pop the fluid is better to take care of it because sometimes the transmission start. You think the transmission start slip. Actually, it's not the transmission; it's the differential, because the differential is the push from the back. And actually, when you have a lot of kind of heavy equipment doing the deliveries, so you have to keep taking care of the differential. Make sure the fluid is not low, and every time you change the fluid to keep the car run way better. If the car is over 200,000 miles, don't ever touch the transmission. I have to check your menu if the transmission being changed before. If the fluid has to be changed before, yeah, you can change the fluid, no problem with that. But if you're not sure if the transmission has been touched before, don't touch it. If you want to touch it, take it to the dealership and let them deal with it because they give you a warranty over it. So this is the whole thing about the Ford Transit, guys. If you like the video, I know I don't post a lot of videos. I'm trying to run my business first, then I start creating new content with the delivery things when I'm on the road. Here in Florida, it was so hard driving everywhere. So this one, guys, I just changed my air filter now. And before I changed the air filter, the car was driving really slouchy, doesn't give a lot of horsepower. As soon as I change the air filter, I'm driving the car now is like driving really smooth, guys. And don't think you've been saving money. Don't do maintenance in the car. Save money because when the car break down, saving money that time. The car gotta be make you spend a lot of money. All the money you've been saving, you gotta spend more. So always, guys, change the fluid at the time, change the air filter at the time, change your differential fluid at a time. This is how you take care of your business. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and please, if you like the video, share video like that. We keep showing every time we have a thing new, we give it to you. Thank you guys, and see you to another video.